Behold, the humble sticky dot. They're just shy in popularity, perhaps to the ubiquitous sticky note, when it comes to your classic UX workshop toolkit. And you're really unlikely to make it through a UX workshop without sticking one of these things on a whiteboard at some point. That's because dot voting is a classic effective prioritization technique. It's where we give each participant a set number of dots, and then we let them use those dots to vote on items that are most important or valuable to them. The traditional approach is to then step back, tally up the dots, and reach a group decision about where to focus. Classic and effective. But what if I told you that with a little bit of additional creativity, we could push the humble sticky dot beyond this traditional approach and upgrade it to be more than just a big red point? One way to modify dot voting is just forget the math. Don't count them. In most situations, it's honestly less important to compare precise scores for individual items as it is to just quickly get an understanding of where the group generally has alignment, to hone in on the greatest points of interest or concern and focus the discussion there. This take on dot voting is called heat mapping. Here, we ask participants to disperse their dots across items as usual, and then we step back and focus on the hottest places, the areas with the most intense saturation. Those are the ones worthy of more focused discussion, brainstorming, or whatever it is that comes next. Another modification to dot voting is dot coding. With dot coding, different colored dots represent different perspectives or factors that we want to use to consider and classify the items, not points or votes. So for example, a yellow dot can mean, I think we should have caution when implementing this idea. A green dot might signify, I am personally willing to devote my time and my energy to this idea. And a blue dot might be something I believe will have significant user impact. Participants are given a set number of each color to disperse across the items. Then we reflect and talk about where there are alignment or differences in opinion. Have fun and think outside of the dot. With a little creativity and strategic thinking, we can push the humble dot to be more, to be a better tool for gathering perspectives and encouraging collaborative discussion in ways that simply casting a vote often cannot.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.